Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will discuss science for class 6. The chapter is classification of materials. In this chapter we will discuss what is classification, why do we need classification. We will also discuss how do we classify materials on the basis of properties of materials. Okay, so let's start our chapter. Firstly, we discuss about what is classification. Classification. Okay. Our chapter name is classification of material. So, we will discuss about what is classification. Okay. Suppose you have some money. Okay. And you have find out how much money you have. What can you do? So, calculate the money from easier way. You make groups. Okay, you make groups of the money, like 10 rupee notes differ, 20 rupees note group and 50 rupees note. Okay, you make a group. Okay, this will make you easy to calculate the how much you have money. Okay, this grouping is called classification. Grouping similar things together is called classification. In which grouping similar things, okay, ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ 10 rupees ਦੇ similar groups बनाते, okay, 20 rupees ਦੇ ਅਲੱਗ बनाते and 50 rupees ਦੇ, so ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ easily calculate ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So this is called a classification. Okay, one more example of classification, like we know that plants and animals both are living things. Plants and animals both are living things, but they are classified two parts, plants and animals. Okay, because their properties are different from each other. We know that these are living things, but many of their properties are different. Okay, animals further can divide it into three parts: herbivores, omnivores and carnivores. Herbivores, omnivore and carnivores. Okay, so they also classified in different ways. Okay, this is the definition of classification and example of classification. One more example of classification, like the things in your house are the most common example. Like you keep the utensils in the kitchen, books in the study rooms, okay, and bed in the bedroom. So these are classified. Okay, so this is the classification of material. Got this point? Next topic is classification is necessary in order to, okay, have a systematic knowledge of this. Have a systematical knowledge of this. सानू की knowledge होनी चाहिए है about the classification. Okay, have a general idea about all the members of group. Okay, सानू सारिਆਂ ਦੀ की general idea होना चाहिए जिन्ने भी ਅਸੀਂ group ਵਿੱਚ members ਰੱਖੇ ਹੈ. Okay, know how the members of a group differ from those of other groups. ਇਹ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ group ਦੂਸਰੇ member ਨਾਲੋਂ ਕਿਉਂ differ ਹੈ. Okay, suppose herbivores, omnivores and carnivores, these are different from each other. Why? Because in herbivores the animals are those who eat only green plants and vegetables. Okay, and carnivores are those who eat only flesh meat, like, okay, and omnivores are those who eat both flesh meat and vegetables also. Okay, so these are differ from each other. Okay, so know how the members of a group differ from those of other group. ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ proof ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਤੋਂ differ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. Okay, our next topic is how to classify materials. Okay, how to classify materials. Okay, first is our luster. In previous chapter you learn about that lusters. What is luster? The shining materials are called luster. जो कि shining करते materials, that is called a luster. Okay. And non-lusters, they not shining materials. Okay, they are not shining materials are called non-lustrous. Okay, lustrous material like jewelry, utensils, door handles, water taps, these all are lustrous. Okay, and non-lustrous like wood, plastic, paper, these all are non-lustrous. Okay. Next is our smoothness of surface. Smoothness of surface. Okay. You move your finger over the surface of a mirror or a stainless steel. Okay. You feel it is very smooth. Okay. But move your finger over the surface of stone, brick, these are very rough. Okay, their surface is very rough, and smooth surface are those which are plain like stainless steel, mirrors. Okay, these are smooth surface, and rough surface like rocks, brick. Okay, these are rough surface. Okay, next is our transparency. Transparency. First is transparent materials. Transparent materials are those who allow most of the light falling on them to pass through. Okay, transparent material ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੀ ਲਾਈਟ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਾਸ ਹੋਣ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, like glass, some plastics. These are transparent materials. Next is opaque materials. Opaque materials are those do not allow light to pass through. They do not allow light to pass through, like wood, cardboard. Okay, these are the example of opaque material. Next is translucent material. Translucent materials are those allow some of the light falling. Okay, बिल्कुल थोड़ी जी लाइट नु पास होने देंदे ने, ज़्यादा नहीं. These are translucent materials like frosted glass and oiled paper. Okay, next is hardness. How you can find that this material are hard or soft? You check the material, you press it or cut it. If you press it and cut it easily, so this is a soft material. If this not press and not cut it easily, so this is a hard material. Okay, hard material are those you cannot press it or cannot cut it easily, and soft material are those which you have press it, stretch it, cut it. Okay, these are soft material. Okay, hard materials are used to make vehicles, machines, furnitures, and soft materials like cushions, clothes. Okay, these are the example of soft material. Next is ductility and malleability. Next is ductility and malleability. In previous chapter you learn about the ductile and malleable. A solid material is ductile if it can be bent or its shape can be changed without breaking it. Okay, a ductile material can be drawn into wires. Okay, ਉਹ ਡਕਟਾਈਲ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਆ ਬੈਂਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. ਓਕੇ, these are ductile material. And malleable solid material if it can be beaten or pressed into sheets or falls. Okay, ductiles are those ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਇਨਟੂ ਵਾਇਰਸ. ਬਟ ਇਨ malleables ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਬੀਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਐਂਡ ਕੀ ਮੇਕ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੀਟਸ ਔਰ ਫॉल्स. ਓਕੇ, ductile and malleable. One more definition, that is brittle. A solid materials that breaks or being bent, bitten or pressed is called brittle. Brittle ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੋੜ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, bend ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ press ਕਰਨ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਂ beat ਕਰਨ ਨਾਲ. Okay, this is the definition of ductile, malleable and brittle. Next is our topic is floating or sinking in water. Next is floating or sinking in water. You must have noticed that many substances float whereas many others sink in water. Okay, so you collect some substance, okay, some examples, okay, like you take a water in a jar and you make any other substance in your house, and this is your activity to do at home. Okay, and you check it which thing are float or which are sink. Okay, float ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਉੱਪਰ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ, sink ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਡੁੱਬ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. Okay, this is your activity you can do at your home. Okay, next is our solubility. Solubility is that in previous chapter we learned about the miscible, immiscible, okay, pure, impure substances. Okay, these are solubility. Okay, when sugar is stirred in water it disappear, totally disappear. In fact, the sugar crystal break up into molecules which are invisible. Okay, when you sugar is stirred into water it totally disappear. Okay, the sugar molecules mix with water molecules. Okay, so they cannot be distinguished. Okay, ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਵੀ water ਹੈ ਜਾਂ sugar ਹੈ. Okay, we saw that sugar is soluble in water. Okay, so sugar is soluble in water. So what sugar is dissolved in water, so it is a form of solution. Okay, जो चीज के dissolve हो जाती है उन्हें सी कहने हैं solution. Okay, and this solution is homogeneous mixture. We learnt about that, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Okay, so the solution of sugar and water is homogeneous mixture. Okay, substance like sand, chalk, these do not dissolve in water. We know that sand do not dissolve in water, so this is a insoluble in water. So this is a insoluble in water. Okay, some liquids like glycerin, shampoo also mix with water to form a solution. So this solution are called miscible with water. Okay, so this is miscible with water. Okay, some liquids like oil, kerosene, which do not mix with water. Okay, so this is a immiscible with water. जो immiscible liquids ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਅਲੱਗ ਲੇਅਰ ਫਾਰਮ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ. ਲਾਈਕ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਾਟਰ ਐਂਡ ਆਇਲ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਕਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਆਇਲ ਦੀ ਕਿ ਅਲੱਗ ਲੇਅਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੋ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਮਿਕਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਆ immiscible liquids. Okay, one more like gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, they are also soluble in water, right? Because aquatic plants and animals use these carbon dioxide and oxygen that is dissolved in water. Okay, a liquid that dissolve other substance is called solvent, and the substance that dissolve is called a solute. Okay, again I repeat, a liquid that dissolved other substance is called solvent, and the substance that dissolve is called solute. Okay, so our chapter has been completed. Okay, thank you for watching video.